What's up guys, this is an unboxing of the OS headphones V2. So they're basically a very similar headphone to the Airpods, but only $40. I bought it all to do a unboxing video for you guys, you know, because when you see a deal like that, a lot of times you think it's too good to be true. So I'm here to do an unboxing and review them for you. And this is the box it comes in. Pretty nice box. Got a manual. That's always good to have. And then the headphones. Here. We have the charging cable. The lightning cable. Gives you an extra charger to connect your iPhone, charge your iPhone to, so that's always good. This is the headphones. Pouch to protect it. Yeah, they look very, very good. Yeah, they look very nice. Size is, you know, very close to the AirPods as well. I actually bought all the colors so I could review it. I've already used the black ones and I've been using them every day. They're actually very good. Obviously the sound quality isn't going to give you $200 headphone sound qualities, but for the price they're very good. And here's the other colors that I bought. This is the red one. They had very little pictures, so I thought I'd buy all the colors and review them for you guys, just so everyone gets a better look at them. They didn't do a great job with all the pictures. That's what the red ones look like. This is, I think it was called Mint. And these are all really, really nice. So they look like up close. Pretty nice. These did take like 2 to 3 weeks to get here, so I mean, before you buy them, know that it's not going to be a 2 or 3 day thing. It does take a little longer to get here, but it is definitely worth $40. The price is, and this is the black one. It's definitely worth the price you pay. But again, you know, you're paying $40. Don't expect it to be $200 headphones. But I would definitely buy these again. And I definitely